Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am excited to show you what I got from Country Craft Creations. They are an online scrapbooking store, and they are big on retreats. And there is a retreat coming up the end of July, and this is all the materials that I was sent to participate in the retreat. It's already sold out, but I still wanted to show you the fabulous things that you would get if you did one of the virtual retreats. This retreat is called the July Neighborhood Retreat, and these are some of the projects. It's not even all the projects, but some of the projects that they're going to do. Well, I'll go through them in a little bit, but I wanted to show you that this whole little folder has all of, like if I needed to cut some of the paper, it will show me how to cut the paper and get everything prepared. See, it tells me all the measurements and everything. So you have the choice. You could either, well, you have a couple of choices. You could either cut everything ahead of time, or you could cut it as they're going. So either the classes, the virtual classes, will be live, or there'll be a Zoom call. Or you could just watch everything and make it when everyone's done, because it's going to be pre-recorded. And if you are in the retreat, you can watch it anytime. So these are some really fabulous projects. And again, it's not all. For instance, this is not listed. This is going to be a fun, I think it's going to be a mixed media project. I'm not sure. We'll find out actually tonight. So I'm curious, but I'm intrigued. This is going to be fun. I got some beautiful lace. So there's some tickets in there. I don't know if they're tickets that you're going to use to decorate, or if they're tickets that is going to be for a prize. Now these are cut into banners, and I know one of the projects were these red, white, and blue banners. I am not sure who's doing the banner project. So the banner project will be done, and I'll show you the paper that we're going to use for that. So that will be fun. So there's a little USA and some thin jute. And look at this beautiful seam binding. Country Craft Creation sells the most luxurious seam binding. These look like they'll be for a red, white, and blue project, don't you think? So there's that. This had a little bow on it, and it smelled so good inside I had to open it. So there's a fun straw, because don't forget the theme is Neighborhood Block Party. And there is some Crystal Light Cherry Pomegranate and a lollipop. So I will be enjoying that while we're making the project. There is a whole package of chipboard. This is a nice quality lightweight chipboard. I'm not sure what we're using that for, but I'm sure I'll find out. And then this and this was together. So this is a package of ephemera, and I'm thinking this is a mini album cover and the spine. And that came with the Outdoor Adventures paper. That's by Stephen Duncan, made by Cartabella Paper. This is the best paper. You know I camp. I live in my RV, so this is fabulous. If you like to go to national parks, they have a whole bunch of national parks. You'll see on my channel I already made something with this paper, but I'm looking forward to making something else. There is this, which isn't really tissue paper. I believe that is acetate. That is my guess. I've been drooling over this Simple Vintage Farmhouse Garden collection from Simple Stories. So this is such beautiful paper, so I can't wait and see what we make with that. There is this Graphic 45 Birdwatcher collection. This is the 8x8 paper pad, and there is also the stickers. I know Patty one of the designers, is going to be making a lantern with that. And I guess there's folios inside the lantern. That will be fabulous. This paper is gorgeous. This is All Graphic 45. This looks like a package of straws. I have not opened it up, but that's what it looks like to me. So I'm curious. We'll find out. This is fabulous. This you cannot get anywhere else but Country Craft Creations. This is the Stars and Stripes collection pack. It is made exclusively for Country Craft Creations. It is designed, printed, and sold only in the US. Well, it's not sold, I mean, if you're in Canada, you can get it too, but it's designed and printed in US, which is fabulous. So there is the chipboard, 2 pieces, and the spine, so that's already cut. It's one less thing I have to cut, huh? There is Lori Whitlock's A Slice of Summer from Echo Park. And you know already, it's got the little camper on it, so already I love it. Nice and bright and colorful, so this will be fun to work on. I think that's going to be... I'm looking to see which one that is going to be. It's going to be the... Either it's the box or that. I have to study the paper a little more to figure that out. But isn't that beautiful? That's just great paper. And down to the bottom, that is the pool party paper from Echo Park. So nice summery paper, but it's, you know, look at this one. It's all the bright yellows, and that's a little muted. They're both beautiful, but different papers, so that'll be fun to check out. So that is what came in my virtual retreat package from Country Craft Creations. Again, the retreat is July 22nd through the 25th. There's some bonus classes on the 21st, like a handmade flower workshop and a cricket workshop done by Zoom call. So that'll be wonderful. You know, they're going to be Zoom calls, and they'll have games, and it'll be a lot of fun. You know, after the year we've had, it'll be nice to get together with people and laugh and have fun and craft. If you want, go to Country Craft Creations and check out what other retreats coming up. I know there's one in Orlando coming up in 2022. Last I saw, there were a couple spots available, but I'm not positive on that. But if you join the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group, you can find out when the retreats are coming. So that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to let you know what fabulous things I got in the package, and I will show you everything I've made once it's all done. So thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous trip.